Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and since I've been seeing a lot of paper bag shorts on AGIG and also in stores, we decided for today's video we're going to show you how to make your very own paper bag shorts for American Girl doll. So these are super simple, and it does include a free pattern which I will link in the description box down below for you to print out and use for this tutorial. If you're interested in knowing how to make paper bag shorts for your American Girl doll, just keep on watching. So to begin, you're going to need to cut out 4 leg pieces, and 2 of them should mirror each other, and then go ahead and face them right sides together and sew down the straight side to create one leg of the shorts. So unfold the leg, and then you can see that I've gone ahead and hemmed it, and I've also finished the edges with a zigzag stitch because my fabric frayed a lot, so I did that to prevent fraying. Now take one leg and fold it in half so that the good sides are touching, and then sew down the inner leg seam. Now flip one of the legs right sides out and leave the other one inside out. Then take the one that is flipped right sides out and place it inside the one that is inside out, and line up the seat of the pants and sew them together. Once you have the legs sewn together, flip it right sides out so that you can see the way it looks, and if you're happy with it, flip it insides out again and then fold down the top about an inch and sew it along to create a hem. Then to make the tie that goes around the waist, I faced 2 rectangles of fabric right sides together and I sewed them together to make one long rectangle, and then I folded it lengthwise and sewed down the long side to make a tube. I flipped this right sides out and then I top stitched it in place. And then to wear the shorts, all you have to do is slide them onto your doll and then tie the waistband around it. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other American Girl doll sewing videos, hairstyle videos, outfit videos, and more. And if you have any suggestions on what type of sewing tutorials or videos that you want to see on my channel, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below as well. And yeah, that's all I have to say for today. So thank you again for watching this video. I will see you next Friday for another one. Bye!